Hey guys, just wanted to get back with you. I know I shot the video the other day, Tuesday, about some broken tools. Now I gotta figure out where the one went. Anyway, wanted to give you an update because, Snap-on Man was here Wednesday. As you can see, the ratchet is fixed. He just, right there on the truck, threw a rebuild kit in it. I mean, got a new driver, and so he took care of that right there on the truck. No problems there. The cordless ratchet, this one that I have here on top of my box, is actually a loaner off of his truck. He took mine and sent it back to Snap-on to have it looked at, and he did not seem real shocked when I told him what the issue was. So I don't know if that's a common problem. No, 3/8 drive ratchet. Mr. Floppy, the one that's stripped out right there, right there. I'm gonna have to run that. That is not a Snap-on, so I'm gonna have to run it down to the store where I got it from and return it. I did, however, pick up a Snap-on to replace it. So, same ratchet. I mean, it's not, but it's same size. And my Snap-on man, he gave me a heck of a deal on that thing. So, anyway. Just wanted to give you an update. Snap-on is taking care of it. I was not complaining the other day. I just figured I'd throw it out there that I had a couple of them break. Update my review. I'm going to get it back. I'm going to get the electric ratchet back from Snap-on after they've taken a look at it, and I will let you know how it goes then. As far as the quarter drive goes, man, I was using that outside, and it was colder than cold. And I think I just, I think the stub just got really, really cold. And maybe it already had a fracture in it, but, oh, sorry, it's getting a little dark. Anyway, guys, hang on. Maybe it already had a fracture in it, but all the same, it's good now. They will, I'm sure they're going to take care of me on the electric one, so I'll keep you posted. Please give me a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button, and guys, share this with your friends, please. I'm trying to get the word out there, trying to build my subscriber base up. I'm at 62 now. I'd love to be at 100 by, say, beginning of February. So let's see what we can do. Share the videos, put them out there, and click the subscribe button for me. You guys have a nice evening.